Whoa, that's loud. No, 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 for me. Oh, my music. Oh. What are you doing? Oh, man. Alright, this... Yeah. We can... Now live. Yeah, they can hear us. Oh, there's already people. Yep. Sweet. Don't. Is it kind of glitchy, the audio? Yeah, we're live testing. Let me throw the show notes over here. Yep. I don't know how loud this music is. Is it too loud? Oh, okay. Sounds perfect. Yeah? Yeah, Donald, Jay, Daniel, Scotty, Philip. What is up? Can't hear any music. That means I gotta turn it up. Brian. New person, what's up? Gonna get started soon. Welcome to the podcast where we don't know what we're doing, but we're trying it anyway. Whoa, Waldo, your video's lagging up a lot. Maybe it's me, because, like, my computer probably can't take it. I don't know. Maybe you're so HD that my computer's like, oh my god, it's too clear. Yeah, stop trying to give me 8K video, man. I can't handle it. Oh, right. Yeah, yeah, it's 4K. It's only 4K. 60 frames a second. Nah, it's probably me. It's first time streaming with two other people at the same time. So, yeah, we'll probably go with... Should have gone with yours. Oh well. Alright, you want to start? Shall we? Let's just go. Alright, throwing it on the camera. Here we go! Waldo! Hold on. Oops! I clicked the wrong thing. Oh, there we go. Hold on, can I pin? There we go. Alright, let me turn off this music. Oh, okay, there we go. Whoa. Jeez. That's a good start. How do I show... I want to show Micah too. How come let's see here. Side by side mode. Okay. Unpin. How do I... Where's Micah? Oh, I should do gallery view. There we go. That's better. Gallery view. Yeah. Let me see if I can move this under. There we... Yeah. What is up? I don't know what I'm doing, but how do I unpin yours? I can just wait, Waldo, how come you're on two screens? I don't know if you see what's going on. Okay, this is welcome everyone. This is the best podcast you've ever seen. Welcome to Zombocom. Yeah, so just a little backstory about what is going on here. Besides that, I don't know. Psych. A while ago, I wanted to geek out about Webflow a lot, and I tried to start an official podcast, but at the time there was no bandwidth, and it's just something that like I wanted to do more than the forums. And now that I've restarted my YouTube channel, I asked Waldo and Micah to, what do you guys think? Should we start one up? I mean, you guys are as geeky about Webflow as I am. I mean, Waldo's channel is Webflow with Waldo, so I think my geek level of Webflow has been trumped by Waldo, but dang. Oh, Scotty says he can't hear you guys. Oh, stupid me.
Oh no.
Okay, now you can. Can
you hear us? Can you hear my voice?
Test.
Yeah, they can hear you now.
Should I turn it up? Is it good?
Stupid me. So they probably couldn't even hear the music and all that stuff. Anyways,
nice.
we'll get this by at least episode 50. We'll have this handled and sorted.
Hopefully, yep.
Maybe
be in VR.
Yeah, so I was just thinking there'll be a new technology for us to stumble through.
Yeah. So for this podcast, just talk about all things Webflow, because there's so much information and there's so many things that to discuss about the future of Webflow, the past, the present, and we all started as community members, and we were lucky enough to have the privilege to work with a team, and now trying to give you as much information as possible that we're allowed to, but also just enjoy what you guys are doing with Webflow. So again, thank you to everyone who's in the live chat right now. Waldo, Micah, go ahead and shout out your own channels.
What's up?
Or introduce yourselves if people don't know who you are. They should know.
So. I hope. I mean, it's fine if people don't know who I am. I'm Waldo. So yeah, I've got a YouTube channel. I'll post a link in here. I'll add that to my stream later. But,
okay.
Yeah, just look up Webflow with Waldo. You should be able to find it. Yeah. On to Micah.
Yeah.
Nice. I also have a little YouTube channel under Mr. Create, youtube.com/Mr. Create. Just sharing things I learned, and hopefully it's helpful.
Cool. Yeah. I'll put the links to their channels in the description and their social medias and whatnot. But yeah, follow them. They're really awesome. They're actually also my colleagues at Webflow, and we're all customer success team members, and Waldo is the manager of it all, and like it's just so awesome to work with these people. So what are we going to talk about during today's podcast? It's all about getting down to gridness. Waldo, you mentioned before we started that you wanted to sing. Yeah. So
I was thinking about singing. I don't know if it's going to happen, but as soon as you said that, like the theme song from Mulan came into my mind. And it's like let's get down to gridness.
To defeat the Huns. Wait, we need different lyrics.
I think I've got some lyrics.
Oh, did you make some lyrics up for Webflow?
Yeah, they're in that Google Doc. I don't know how good they are.
Wait, where is it? Oh, go ahead, sing it. Please sing it. Oh my God.
Let's get down to gridness to repeat the rows. Did they send me div blocks when I wanted grid areas?
Oh my God.
You're the saddest float I ever met. But I'm laughing. But you can bet before we're through, we will build a grid with some fractions and rows.
Okay.
That was really difficult. First attempt.
Oh, I love it.
Turned off. It was great.
I applaud you for writing those lyrics and singing it. You are brave.
Glad you joined the chat.
What have I done? I mean, again, I can't trump that geek level of Webflow because, I wrote a thing for the grid with Tron Legacy, but that is a song. That is
That was 4 minutes this morning.
Oh, that is okay. My cheeks already hurt. How am I gonna get through the next couple of? I don't know how long we're gonna stream for, but
We give some shout outs to everyone that's here.
oh yeah,
Scotty, Brian, Daniel,
Nice.
Nathan, finally.
Nice.
Vlad is glad to be here. Jessica.
yeah, Jessica.
Nice.
Oh yeah. So we'll be talking about some stuff that happened in the past. Was it 2 weeks? Yeah, like we got to visit the new Webflow HQ. Talk about things we did over there while in San Francisco, the food we ate, places we visited besides the Webflow HQ, and also people we connected with. And lastly, getting down to Gridness, talking about all things Grid and the upcoming launch of it that a lot of people are excited about. So let's get into it. I don't want to say get into Gridness anymore. So the new Webflow HQ, man, what an upgrade!
Yes.
Yeah, it is nuts. Micah, is that the first Webflow HQ you've been to?
Yes, it was beyond anything I can ever imagine. It was so awesome. We like, if I can say, skateboarding around and having ping pong tables.
Wait, you skateboarded around the office?
You sure did.
Oh, not fast, right?
No, not fast.
And not doing tricks.
Not doing tricks.
Okay.
No, safety first.
Safety first. Yep. Okay. Wait, you skateboarded while playing ping pong. Oh man, that's so cool. That's cool. What's one of the things that actually stood out to you in the office? Like the thing that you remember most?
The thing that I remember most is just being able to like interact with people freely. Like there was no just the comfort level. Being able, like, so we work remotely.
Yeah. And
it feels as if just because of the sincerity of the people that we work with, like that we know them so clearly and easily, like being able to just, talk to.
It's like you've already known them for a long time.
Right. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. And there's no like awkward feeling or anything. Like we come in giving hugs. Like I don't do that.
Yeah. Yeah. You don't give hugs to random strangers? No, I'm just kidding. No, these aren't strangers. The comfort level is just so awesome. Yeah, Waldo, the thing that stood out to you most at the new HQ?
Ooh, let me see. I really love the mural. There's a beautiful mural in our like the not cafeteria, but the eating area. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful mural on the wall there. It's nice to sit there. There's a lot of, you can sit pretty much anywhere. I just want to like open seating. I really appreciate that. And offices.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
The mural though, what is it? Because at first I thought it was like a unicorn, and then someone's like, no, that's a girl's face, and there's a butterfly, and I was like, there's probably 100 things I'm missing. Mm-hmm. Like, yeah. What did you see?
I saw a girl's face.
Okay.
Yeah, I just thought it was beautiful.
Yeah, it was. Yeah. It was. Yep. For me, what stood out was the studio. The studio is intense. I remember taking like a video production class back in junior college, but to actually work in one, and it's not like a class, but actually using it for real work is nuts, and seeing what the education team, McGuire, Stacy, are going to do with it, and Anna Kay, it's just gonna be nuts. I'm so excited about it, and plus, people are finally going to see McGuire's face.
Yes.
That's gonna be awesome.
McGuire.
Like, people have been asking in the comments section on youtube.com/webflow, and also on the forums, even on like support tickets that we get, right? They're like, who is that guy? Give him a raise. I want to see his face.
So true.
Yeah. So you'll finally get to meet him.
Nice.
Yeah, it's super awesome.
I had one more thing.
Yeah.
just a really nice place to hang out. Like if you want to bring some friends over and hang out, like colleagues, professional colleagues over, and either geek about web design or Webflow or just hang out.
Yeah,
I really enjoy that. Yeah,
it's a great place to hang out. I mean, I'll admit that I went to one of the meeting rooms with the couches, the nice like long sofa, and and then it was like, I don't know, 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I'm like, whoa. It's too comfy. I was like, okay, I need coffee. It's so nice and relaxing over there. But what else happened? Oh yeah, we got to see more history of Webflow. I think, Micah, this is your first time seeing the first code commit on the wall.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
That is nuts. And then Vlad showed us the first notebook or something he wrote the notes on or something like that.
Yes.
And he just has it, and I'm like, I feel like that needs to be like saved in a safe or in a I don't know. It has to be saved forever.
Pretty sure it's from the future, and Vlad just traveled there.
Oh, okay. It's like an almanac
on the edges.
Here you go. Yeah.
All right. Yes. So Vlad is a time traveler. Got it. I hope the future. What?
I can't handle the chat.
What was you saying?
So many.
Can we talk about padding in the sofa of the conversation?
Sofa. This conversation feels pretty comfy.
It's on my last pass in.
What? It's in my last pass.
Oh my god! If the world is not ready for his face, oh my god. I'm trying to do more dad jokes, and it's tough. It's an art form. It is
an art form. I didn't realize it until like you try it yourself, and you're like, man, it's pretty clever. It's not that easy.
It's not. It's not. But so what else did we do at the new? You guys had a Rocket League tournament, I think. Who won that?
Yoav, I think. I don't know. Oh. Yeah, I lost to Nate.
Oh,
I beat Ryan somehow. I don't know how that happened. Yeah. Probably need a rematch.
Yeah. I think we need a remote Rocket League tournament somehow. That would be cool.
We can do that.
Yeah. Let's do that. That'd be cool. You also put in the show notes that you visited the Figma office when you were down here.
Yeah.
Who did that?
That was Brandon, Andrew, Micah, myself. Ryan came with, yeah.
Oh, nice.
So yeah, we went and met Jason Pearson over at Figma. He's the head of product support over at Figma, and had some delicious lunch there and just hung out. And they had like a lightning talk, which is really cool. Or they might have called it something else, but someone gave a talk. It was sweet. Just talked to them about how they structure their team and hang out. Showed them a little Webflow demo. So that was fun. Did like a little rebuild of the Figma homepage.
What was their expression?
I mean, they'd never seen it before, and they kept calling people over. So
like, yo, you gotta check this out. Yo, get over here. Was it like that?
We're just having fun. Yeah.
Oh my god. Yeah, I love it when light bulbs show up. And it's like, wait, what? You can do this? You can do this? What is this? Yeah, that's so awesome. Yeah. Anything else that you did, Micah, with the team?
Oh, what else did we do? Got to eat some pretty awesome food. Going to, so what was that? Was it Tuesday that we had?
Oh yeah, Taco Tuesday.
Yes, was delicious. I ended up still getting some Greek food, even though we had Greek earlier that day. I couldn't get enough, so I had some Greek that night, and it was so fun being able to like chill around the campfire or the fire and then roast s'mores. Oh man, so much fun.
Oh yeah. That I had some kojo or whatever. It was like a taco, but it was like it wasn't a taco shell. It was like rice, garlic rice, and then it held meat inside. And I'm like, oh my god, I need to come back one day. and that was so good. And then the campfire, that was cool that they rented out a whole pit to. It's a pretty cool idea to have food trucks and then also rent out a fire pit with s'mores and graham crackers and whatnot. That's a great idea.
Fun.
What did you have, Waldo?
Oh man, not sure what it's called. A bunch of raw tuna fish in a bowl.
Ooh.
A poke bowl.
Oh yeah.
It's delicious. I ended up having 2.
Whoa!
Because I wanted the extra protein, and it was
Nice.
fantastic. Yeah, it was great hanging out with everyone that was there. Some awesome guests.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you also got to meet Pablo. Speaking of
I
this.
finally got to meet Pablo Stanley in person. Zack it was really cool. So
Yeah. Like what you guys talk about? Like anything interesting?
we talked about like management and like how to serve and lead teams, and about just different creative disciplines. Is a really great conversation. So
Nice.
then he ended up coming over the next day, I think, to the Webflow office, and that's when he found out about Grid.
And his
then he just magic happened. Like Pablo is just so creative and can do just about anything. He's like, I want to play with that, and then 10 minutes later he made Link.
Right.
Should I show it on the thing?
Yeah.
What is it? Nintendo
Got
Grid?
Nintendo Grid.
Grid.
Yeah, .com.
Let me see if I can share my desktop.
Yeah.
There we go. Cool. Oh wait, let me remove this. There we go. Cool. Yeah, we're seeing Nintendo Grid right now.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if I can put. Hold on. Add source. Ugh. Okay, my computer is like mad at me for doing this.
Oh.
Okay, cool. Yeah. All right, I have Nintendo Grid and you guys on the chat at the same time. Cool.
Epic.
Yeah,
So
man.
pixelated. Sorry, I see what you did there.
It's so yeah, after like when did you when you first gave Pablo access to Grid, and he started playing around with it, like did you see him master it like quickly?
Yeah, it was insane. Linda gave him access, and then Ty came over, and Ty's been building a lot of Grid. As far as I know, he's been one of the main engineers working on it. And we're like, Pablo had a few questions. He's like, how do I make the grid here and add the rows? And like figured out you have to set a height and a width on the parent container, and then you can add as many rows and as many columns as you want. And then from there, he like added in a div block and styled it a little bit, and then just started like painting, drawing, like dragging around the canvas. And it was so cool to watch him just do it directly on the canvas, because that's what I thought Webflow was going to be the first time I used Webflow with CSS Grid. And I don't know, it was just beautiful to watch. He was getting so excited. I've never seen someone dance that much while designing.
Wait, would he like put a div and then size it, and then he would dance, and then put another div, size it, and dance? Is that him?
Basically, yeah. If you go over to Link, I don't know if you're sharing Link.
Yeah, I'm sharing Link right now.
So he was working on the little shield part.
Okay.
And he was trying to like rearrange the layers, and he like switched the Z index for the first time, I think. And like when he did that, and like the shield popped on top, and then he realized he could use bigger areas to like drag across all the different columns and rows. He just got so excited and moved way faster after that. So
That's so cool.
it was awesome.
That's cool. Micah, did you witness this magic happen?
It happened so quickly. It was like a blur of like starting out, like we could use Grid, and all of a sudden like Mega Man and Link appeared. Like it was so fast, it made no type of sense.
Man, it's nuts. His his time lapse of this? I was like, dang. Oh, okay, this seems pretty easy to use, and I know I feel bad. We're talking about Grid and everything. And people in the chat room want Grid now, but it's like so close.
So close.
We're so close. So don't worry, it's almost there. You'll get into this Gridness. I promised I wouldn't say it again, but I did.
I feel like a dad joke is coming in the
Yep.
chat.
Mega
Uh-oh,
Man.
here we go.
Ah,
If
Mega
Mega Man
Nav.
married a website header, what would they name their first child? Mega.
Mega Nav.
Why?
I got the link.
Why? Yeah.
Yeah. Blacked out.
Okay, I'm out.
Thanks, Vlad.
Thanks, Vlad. Peace out. Yeah. So when you guys first used Grid, while over there, what were your honest first thoughts? Who wants to go first? Micah, go first.
Nice. Oh man, my mind seeing first off Brando. I don't know if we talked about what Brandon created. The Mario going across. I was like, all of a sudden my mind was just like, we could do any type of pixelated art. And I went like almost Mona Lisa, like super far into the details. I think I found like a Chucky Rugrats, and it had so many pixels per head. I haven't completed it yet, but it's like we're seeing so easy to use.
Oh man, it's just so inspiring, you know,
Oh man,
to see, like when Brandon did the Mario one, I was like, wait, what? What just happened? Like
the interactions and his movement.
it's like a whole new door just opened. I'm like, what?
That one's Mario-Grid.
Oh, let me.
Can I paste it?
Yeah, go ahead, put it in the chat, and then I'll
I'll
somehow get it. Let's see here.
There you go. So, Brandon. Oh.
Ethan says, I was just thinking a periodic table with 3D interactions would be cool. Oh,
do it. That's such a great application.
Do it. Promise me you'll do it.
Yes,
oh my
please.
God, please do it.
Please do it.
Where's the link?
I can't. It won't let me paste the link
hold on.
because of the rules.
What is it?
Mario-Grid.
Mario-grid.webflow.io.
Yep.
And I spelled webflow.io wrong. Mario-grid.webflow.io. And desktop.
Yep.
And he's jumping.
So great.
Oh, so nice.
Need to get Brando on here.
That's so
That'd
cool.
be epic.
It'll be fun.
Dang, dude. Like interactions plus grid. Like I said in one of my tweets, it's Flexbox is 1D, grid is 2. And you add interactions 3. All 3 dimensions. Oh, God, it's so fun to play with. Geeking out so hard.
Yes.
But
There's a ton you can do with it.
Nice.
Not just make it 8-bit.
yeah, there's so many applications. But Waldo, you did a stream with Spider-Man, and I had to leave midway. But when I left, you were like just finishing up his web, and then when I went to go look at your stream, I was like, oh, okay, he's probably not done yet. And then you were done. And I was like, wait, he added a second Spider-Man, and then he like Venom or something, and then he added buildings and
Yes.
that's nuts.
I love Spider-Man. He's my favorite. But if you actually open it on your phone, I added in a little script that Lou wrote.
What?
If you move it from like left to right.
What's the URL?
Here, let me see if I can show it on my phone.
Spider Grid?
It's just spider-man.webflow.io.
Spider-man.webflow.io. And let me put it on chat. So we talked about in 10 grid. We also talked about Mario.
Oh, it's so awesome.
Yeah, you can kind of see it.
Spider.
Do I put it closer to my face? I don't know how to. Yeah. See how like when I wave my phone.
Oh, dude!
Yeah. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah. He's moving. Thanks to the accelerometer. I need that script now. I'm gonna get it. It's probably it's just JavaScript, right?
Yeah, it's just a script that you add, and then you add an attribute to.
And
the
it
parent
moves
element.
so fluidly, like it's like it feels really like it's a piece of paper that's dangling. You know, like a real piece of paper because the frames are so fast.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird. It just feels too, you know, like what is it? The Uncanny Valley.
Yeah.
That's what I'm feeling right now. Like, whoa, it's too. Oh. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Check it out on your phone.
Yeah.
Spider-man.webflow.io. That is nuts. Great job, Waldo. Great job.
So epic.
That's fun. And then I had to add in buildings because it's like there's no backdrop.
Yeah. Yeah.
And I use Flexbox for that. Yeah,
What? Oh.
of course.
Oh well. But you're gonna make it with Grid next time, yes?
Yeah. Yeah. Just a quick building.
Quick building. All right.
Yeah.
What else with I think is that
Yeah.
what else can we talk about with Grid? I mean, it's coming soon, real
Mm-hmm.
soon.
I'm just blown away by like just I would never have thought about doing any of these things like before this, like before Grid, before Webflow, like none of this was on my radar at all. It's just
Right?
so cool to be a part of.
Like, there's a lot of things on Dribble that like looked very complicated as far as the layout because overlapping stuff and I'm like, man, like Flexbox, I can totally do it, but man, it's gonna just take too long. And then when I saw Pablo Stanley's his stream on Sketch Together, and he did those cards, I was like, wait, what? And it made my mind go, okay, I can do this. So when I look at Dribble now, I'm like, almost everything now is possible, and it's easy. You just draw a box. I mean, that's all it is now. Like, I'm gonna draw a box, I'm gonna put stuff in it, and I'm done. I want to do mobile responsive, I'll just drag that box, and I'm done. Like,
Yep. Yeah. It's different to like wrap your head around because you're used to move, like if you move anything on the DOM or in the navigator tree, that it breaks your design.
yeah,
So now with Grid, you can actually move things around on the canvas when you switch from desktop to any mobile breakpoint,
yeah.
which is crazy. Yeah.
It's like some things that you feel like if you move it around, you feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. It's a whole new world. Yeah, Grid. Nathan says Grid Venom, bro. This is my favorite feature. Insta media. Yeah, dude. Insta media queries. Like, what up to Carlton? Yo, my heroes. No, you are our hero.
Yes.
You are making stuff happen.
Where's Green Mario? Isn't that Luigi? Green
Yep,
Mario.
that's Luigi.
Where's it say?
Where's
Oh yeah, it's Luigi. He's in a mansion right now, using a vacuum to suck up ghosts.
Yes. Yep.
Yes. Oh yeah. If you want some Webflow swag,
Yes.
hit up that guy. He has access.
Yes. Send you some stickers,
Nice.
some Webflow t-shirts.
Poke.
Poke.
Yeah. Donald says, I feel so bad to charge so much for a website that is that easy and fun to do. I'm paid to have fun.
You
Likewise.
shouldn't. I mean, you shouldn't though. I mean, you're providing value. So I would challenge that for sure.
Yeah.
Think about the value you're providing that business. So.
Like their website doesn't just end when you launch it. Like if you are making a design that's helping them convert, then they're making money for X amount of time thanks to your designs and your artistic direction and your UX and whatnot that you put thought into. Sure, the production time is faster and more fun because of Webflow, but at the same time, they are also paying for your skills and the amount of knowledge that you picked up on your way to this point in time, and also the amount of failures that you learned from to get to where you are. So you are more valuable than you think. It's not just because it's not just about your time, it's about you, and you are valuable, my friend.
Yes, definitely. I consider it like professional ball players of sorts. Like they make it look so easy and they're having fun doing it, but there's a lot of fundamentals, like like you talked about before, Nelson. Like you still have to know some of the basics of web design, not an extreme amount, but with that basic amount, then like there's still some artistic design that you have to add to it, and that's some skill to it.
Yep. Exactly. Yeah. So let's move on to the last part. Let's see here. Awesome websites that we've seen in the wild.
Ooh.
Yeah. So I've listed 3, but I don't know. Do you guys want to look at these, or do you have some in mind?
I mean, let's definitely look at those.
All right.
Let me go check.
Let me go to this one. Hopefully it doesn't crash the stream because, just telling you now, my computer's been a little bit laggy, so hopefully, let me switch. Okay. Here we go. If I press enter and then my stream crashes, you guys understand why. Here we go.
Is it
Whoa.
working?
Okay. We're good. My CPU's at 100%. I don't think I should stay on this side. Okay, it's going down. 86, 87. I think I need to upgrade. Whoa.
Yeah.
We'll see. Okay. We're around 74. We can handle it for a little bit. If I scroll down, can I handle? Okay. You guys seeing this one?
I don't know what we're looking at.
I had the Diplo.studio.
Yeah, the Diplo Studio.
Oh, yeah.
This one is awesome. The background video and how in the video they added the gradient so they can put copy, but now the copy's gone. Hold on, let me refresh. Okay, so the copy's here. No translate. All right. Am I dropping frames? No. Oh my god, good job, PC.
Oh.
Yeah, this site is sick.
Are they using smooth scroll or smooth movement? I think they
I don't know.
Oh. I'm sorry, I'm nerding.
Obviously, this wasn't done in Grid, but man, if they had access to Grid, it would be much easier. But I love when people do those like vertical lines or something to show a grid.
Yeah. Little micro interactions, like when you go down to the expertise section,
Yeah.
hover over the camera and the little dinosaur.
Oh,
So beautiful.
what?
So cute. Or the little notebooks.
Yes. Oh,
that's
how?
beautiful.
Okay, if they wanted to go over the top, what if they like you press on a key on the laptop and then it just lights up?
Oh, that'd be fun.
Like a lot of Easter eggs.
The CSS laptop? Oh no, it's an image.
Oh, it's an image? Okay, but still, these images are
Yeah,
clean.
it's
Right.
beautiful.
Is it SVG?
I don't know. Let's check.
Good question.
What
Yes, it is. They're all SVGs.
Jeez. Here we go. Let me put the link in the chat. www.diplo.studio. This is nuts.
Yes.
This is nuts. Scrolling down. Yeah, so they're using almost every type of
Right.
interaction that we got.
Right.
I love the detail pages too. They're really great.
Which one did you go to? I want to follow you.
Let's see. I clicked into the La Binchois Brasserie, the drink.
Oh,
one.
okay, the drinks.
Yeah.
Let's click it. CPU, I'm sorry.
Should be okay.
Okay, we're good.
It's a beautiful page. I love
Oh
the way
my
they lay out
God.
everything, like the colors and the fonts,
Right.
Oh my god. It's...
all the imagery.
See, this is the thing. I wish I can.
What?
I wish
Scroll
I
down
can.
to, packaging.
I wish I can design something this clean.
Scroll down to packaging.
Okay, I'm scrolling. I'm
It shows-
scrolling.
it shows,
Okay,
shows the
I'm at
beer
the-
bottle or the Belgian ale bottles.
Okay.
And it rotates.
Oh!
Artwork.
What?
Oh, that's just a slider.
Yeah, that's just a
Right.
slider.
But I've never seen
Stuff with
like
sliders. Yeah.
What?
That's a good. I've never seen a use case for the slider like this.
Right.
It's beautiful.
Ah.
And like you were kind of pointing out, Nelson, is like we're going to. I think people are going to start valuing like graphic design and UI design because of what Webflow is doing. Like it's making that entry so much more easier to where it's
Yeah.
like, okay, what type of design can you provide? Like no longer can you actually provide a website, but it's going to have to look good because everyone is going to be able to do that.
Yeah. Exactly. Like you can totally stand out, and this site totally stands out from the rest of the agencies and whatnot. From its micro interactions to its type, and oh my god, I love this site.
Oh.
How do you guys feel about the mouse cursor being a dot?
I think
I
it's a
don't
fun
know.
experience.
I like it too. I have something similar on my site, but I hadn't done anything like this. And I don't know if you notice when you hover over an item that's clickable, it expands or grows.
Mm-hmm.
I
Yeah.
see that. I see that now. My first thought as a user experience, like, wait, what happened to my mouse cursor? I got so confused.
Mm,
You
Yeah.
know, but I guess you have to like play around with the site more than 5 seconds and be like, oh, that's my mouse cursor,
mm-hmm. Yeah, I think it's really part of the experience that they're trying to craft.
dude. Yeah, yeah,
I
it's
respect it. It's gorgeous. Oh, have you clicked on the menu?
hold
Uh-oh.
on. Here we go.
Just hover over it and then click on that menu. Ooh, that's-
Whoa. Okay, Nate, that's nutty. Okay, Nathan's asking, what's the mobile experience like? Well, let's see here.
Check it out.
Diplo
Good question.
dot studio.
The mobile experience is still wonderful.
Okay, I'm gonna
Yeah.
go
There's
to
a lot,
it.
lot of white space, or not white space, just like space.
That's why I was noticing like they did such a great job of maintaining that throughout the like
Mm.
from not only the projects but like the homepage and even like the menu.
Mm-hmm.
I was trying to move my phone for the 3D interactions to make the beer bottle go like this,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
but they don't have it. But it also reminded me of this April Fool's joke that I did to my coworker, where a long time ago, it was like 2013 or something like that. That script just came out for parallax, but also with your accelerometer. And so I showed my friend that, hey, you can on the phone you can go like this, and he's like, oh, that's so cool. I was like, yeah, and you can also do it with your desktop screen too. And he actually picked up his desktop screen.
That's mean.
I was like, oh my god. Oh,
man.
good times, good
Carl-
times. Try that on your coworkers.
Carlton
What?
Carlton said that the site almost crashed his PC.
Yeah, it's
Uh-oh.
kind
I
of
wonder-
laggy on my phone.
Yeah, it is. It's fairly heavy as far as like the images go. We can run it through Pingdom to maybe see like what's causing that.
Yeah.
Let me do that on my
Okay.
quick.
Yeah.
Let's see what we
While y'all are doing that, any thoughts on this is in my first time experiencing a fixed menu like that. It is like stuck to the right in the middle. Like normally you see the top right. I've seen some bottom right at times, but I've never seen one kind of in the middle right there. It's kind of, I like it. It's interesting.
Yeah, it's
Oh wow.
very unique.
Page
And-
size is 17 megabytes.
What? That's why my computer's mad at me right now.
Yeah, there's a lot of PNGs
I'm
on
gonna
there.
close
I mean,
it.
it's part of the experience, so they could maybe add like a little lazy loading script to help with that. But a lot of like the PNGs, like the really nice laptop PNGs, are like 500 kilobytes or 400
Ooh, buddy.
kilobytes,
Yeah.
which that can really add up later on. So sometimes it could even work to like add like a blurrier version of the image,
And
or
that's-
just compress it a lot.
That's the hard
there's-
part of web design right there. Optimization. Like graph designers, again, love to go crazy. They like to go crazy with the file sizes. And it makes sense because they want
Yeah.
everything perfect as possible. And then us web designers are like, it has to load fast.
Yeah.
It has to load fast.
Yeah.
And so
Yeah, Nathan was making a point too about any transparent images like that, especially or PNGs, like they just destroy like the CPU and the GPU.
Mm,
Takes up more RAM to like render those.
yeah. 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 Daniel says the scroll on mobile is kind of lagging. Yeah, it was for me too.
Mhm.
So, pretty cool design, but
Yeah.
as far as optimization goes, like, woof.
Yeah, there's some really quick wins with the images and
Yeah.
resizing those. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe they can fix that. They are nominated for awards, so hopefully they win.
Mhm.
Nice.
Yeah, that'd be sweet.
All right, let's. Any
I
other?
had one. Pablo's site, let's thanks who designed.com.
Which one?
Nice.
I'll post the link in that doc. Quick.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's at the bottom there.
Yeah. You want to go to that one?
Yeah, let's
Okay.
showcase it.
All right. I wanted to hold that for when Pablo was here, but I guess we can talk about it again.
Yeah, we can talk about it again
Okay,
later.
cool. Let me throw up my desktop real quick.
Um,
Boom.
yeah.
That's awesome. Like, how fast did he build this?
Oh, in like a week or so, maybe 2 weeks. It was all about like getting the content, and then he was waiting on me, and I'd like to get the integration, like the mix it up integration.
Mm-hmm.
And I think he also found an additional one, but like Anna knows how to do all that. She wrote a tutorial on like the mix it up plugin.
Yeah.
And I was like, how do I do this? And she like walked me through it step by step, like on a video call, and showed me how to do it.
That's awesome. One thing he might need is when you click on one of the filters, it needs to scroll back up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Someone made something on CodePen with what was the other integration? I'll find the link.
Some search thing, right?
Yeah, or is it Algolia integration?
Yeah, Algolia.
Like it was really, really well put together. But he made the site clonable, which is really special. Like, so if anyone wants to like list out like a community, which I think someone else listed out like a list of resources for like where to go and register to vote. I think Sarah posted that today.
Mm-hmm.
Let me find that real quick.
And that's just awesome how people are willing to let them clone their sites
Sarah
and
Ball.
do something crazy with it. You know, do something good.
Yeah, absentee or vote. Oh wait, is it absentee.me? I'll send you this link. Can I post this in the chat? Is it gonna let me?
Probably post it in the show notes.
Oh no, without the HTTPS.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's if you have to vote as like an absentee. Sarah Ball put this together.
Wow.
It's really cool, and it's like she cloned Pablo's project and then made the site.
I don't see your link.
Oh, it's just absentee.me. Did it not show up? I see it.
T.me. Okay, I'll just throw it there.
Yeah.
That's really cool.
Are my messages not coming through? It makes me sad.
How do I make you... Okay, hold on. What if I make you a moderator?
Are you like playing Where's Waldo? But like messing with me?
I don't know.
Oh, I can see you now.
Okay.
Awesome. Yeah. So, if you want this template and this mix it up plugin and everything, it's all free. You can totally go to Pablo's Webflow profile.
Yep.
Yeah. That's really cool. Yeah, like the fact that he can build it in 1 week, from idea to launch in a week.
He had the design ready
Oh.
like way before that. It was just like getting the filters to work, and the filters took like 30 minutes to an hour to work to like get everything working the way we wanted it to. Yeah.
Shoot, like it's just nuts how happy he is about this. How happy he is about Webflow. Like I guess that feeling of when you're designing something and you see someone like on cloud 9 while they're designing, it's so infectious.
Yes.
That you're like, yes, feel like that. Now give the feeling to someone else, and you should feel like that. Everyone should feel happy. Oh man. Any websites that you've seen, Micah, that you want to shout out?
Let's see here. I was looking at some of our in our channel. There's one that stuck out to me here. we call it.
Mm-hmm.
It's this one here.
Which one? Go ahead and.
Nice. And this one is mainly for the.
I don't see the URL.
I'm about to toss it in there. It's mainly
Oh,
for the. It's called Spocket.co. Oh, it won't show up, but it's Spocket SPOCKET.co.
Can you put in the show notes so I can put on screen?
The new GoPro homepage. Sorry. I'm I don't really
Show notes.
Yep. Oh, last thing about the Latinxes who design, we're gonna save more talks about this website with Pablo if we can get him next week. That would be cool. Oh, you put it here. All right.
Yeah, I'm terrible.
No, you're not terrible. Calm down. Oh, Spocket.
Spocket.
Oh, not
Yeah, I'm super nerdy about the graphics, and I'm really starting to get into like these singular color
Ooh.
people type of a deal that are, I don't know, they're like they remind me of, has anybody watched Doug?
Yes,
yeah, Doug.
Yeah. This one how it gives me that feeling of like, I don't know, for some reason like Doug made me feel like everybody was I don't know, just part of a awesome community, but there's no like issue. Well, there's issues, but it was just like Doug had his friends, and this is how this makes me feel like a fun illustration. I don't know, I just really liked it.
Oh, okay, yeah. The illustrations do have like a Nickelodeon vibe to it.
Yeah.
Quick, theme song, go.
Oh, terrible. Is it? No, I thought it was Rugrats as soon as I heard
it. Oh, I missed that one. Quail Man. Yes.
Quail Man.
Wearing his underwear on top of his shorts. That was cool. Oh, childhood. Michael Bay, please don't make a movie about Doug. You've done enough.
Okay. Oh man.
Yeah, this site's clean. Yeah. Yeah, I got. Wonder why these are still like serif when everything else is sans serif. It doesn't look right. I'm talking about the product discovery part. Does it feel like they forgot to outline their font because they were using a custom font and then they forgot to outline it or something when they're exporting it? That's what it seems to me.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Show Christine's site.
What?
Christine Paulson photography.
Yeah, let's talk about that.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go to it right now. Actually, it says I have to log in to Webflow. Bah. What if I don't want to?
Have to. I believe Emery was asking any examples of sites people have made with a gallery using images in a CMS. So yes, this one has quite a few of those.
Hold on. Overflow. I have to get the Can you give me the URL of the site?
I'll paste it in without the .io.
Yeah.
There you go.
Cool.
Did that post?
Go.
And also on the template site, we have one.
That's not.
It's a custom slider, I think.
What?
That's just like a list. What's going on?
There we go. I got it.
Okay.
Cool. So, sorry, I was half listening. What were you saying? I was trying to get the URL there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's see. What was I talking about?
It's okay. So CMS Slider, right?
Yeah, any kind of dynamic sliders. That's what I wanted to see here. So
is that what's going on there?
Well, there are a bunch of sliders throughout the site. But just it, I think that she did a really good job of like showcasing all the content. Also, if you click into any of the pages, the menu is insane.
Right.
The menu interaction goes from like a little camera to an X, and I've never seen that before.
And she came from the Muse community.
Yeah, she came from Muse before, so she's a photographer.
Wow. So she's mainly a photographer, but like she was able to build this.
Yep. Yeah, she posted it on the show and tell on the Webflow forum. I highly encourage you to all post on there.
Forum.webflow.com. So these are all like dynamic sliders? Like she made them dynamic?
I don't know if they're all dynamic sliders. I'd have to look through the site. I know that you can do dynamic sliders with conditional visibility. So you can essentially set a slide to show up if an image is set within a slider. So that's one way to go about it, but we're working on a dynamic slider element as well, or widget. So any kind of gallery, dynamic gallery. That should be way easier, and we're going to make that easier very soon.
She did a lot of work on this site.
Yes, it's massive. Like if you scroll through, like on the right side, look at the nav bar on the right. If you like click into a page, and then scroll down, like all the dots. You hover over those. Yeah.
Oh, you hover. Oh,
right.
Well then.
Yep. Yeah.
Oh, she did a before and after integration.
Yep.
That's.
Wait,
cool. Before and after. Where's the before and after?
It is the third to last dot.
Third to last. More images. I have more images.
Oh, let's see here.
Which page?
It is the Sula headshots. I think that's
headshots. Oh, okay, let me go to headshots.
Throw it in here now.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Love notes? No, before and after. Got it. Dude. Oh, cool. Oh, so it's retouching.
Yeah.
See, man. See, when people have access to do stuff, you know, it's just like every other creative industry. When people had easier access to create, to edit videos, YouTube exploded. When people had better access to create, I don't know, video games with Unity and stuff like that, explosion, you know, of ideas and good things. Now it's our turn with the web. And this is why people like confuse me as a salesperson. I'm not a salesperson for Webflow. We have no salespeople. We're just super passionate about it. That we get too much, but I don't know.
We get too excited about
Webflow
and web design development, but I don't think it's bad to get excited. I think it's a good thing. I appreciate it. And all the positive energy is a lot of fun. We feed off that. So
well, congratulations to Christine for building this. Starting from Muse and then building this crazy thing.
That's what I'm impressed about, that switch over. I can only imagine what she's. I really want to. I'd love to hear more about her story, just like what she knew going into this, and then kind of her process. And, like, this is a amazing site.
Yep, there's a lot of detail.
Yeah.
Maybe we should ask her to get on one day.
Yes, that'd be great.
Yeah, we got some. Emery is saying awesome. So is the header using the CMS? I don't think so. Is there a tutorial for that anywhere? It should be easier.
I can make one. That'd be helpful. Yeah, let me throw one together real quick.
Oh, and I think someone wanted me to look at the GoPro homepage.
Yes.
Yeah,
that just released the GoPro 7. So yeah, take a look at it.
All right. GoPro.com, and this is something I want to try to rebuild on one of my future streams. I took a look at it. So the hero is very basic. Like,
oh, the hero section.
Yeah, the hero section is so, no, not the camera. The camera is more than basic. They started a whole lifestyle. I mean, you can watch you can watch their videos on airplanes. I mean, so anyways, let's see here. Yeah. Besides the basic hero, now you get into the good stuff.
Yes.
Whoa.
When I look at this, but if I didn't have Webflow, I would look at this and be like, yo, I wish I can do this. But as I scroll down, and I'm like, this is easy. Because
That's beautiful.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. But to produce, to actually code something like this is now easy.
Nuts.
Coding that by hand is intense. That'd be difficult.
It's nice, super nice. Using sticky.
Yes.
That's cool. That's cool. Oh, okay. So what else you guys have going on? What you guys going on for the rest of this week?
I might do a stream later this week. I haven't decided what topic yet. If anyone has any topic ideas, please let me know. I don't know.
Show off e-commerce. No, just kidding. You'd still get in trouble.
Yeah. Be a little too early for that one.
Yeah. Don't click the button. Not on stream.
Yep.
Yeah, we're still working on that one. Soon though. Hopefully. Yeah. Like I'm hoping to fly up and stream again from the studio whenever they launch it, so we can be like, hey, here it is. What do you got going on, Micah?
So this week, doing some Knack stuff, but in Webflow, I'm working on some micro interactions with illustrations. So I'm trying to continue to work on my illustration work, and Webflow is like the best place to like add interactions and different things. And I'm working on a visual design project with the team, and I currently have some free illustrations in there, but I want to kind of customize them and then add some like little micro interactions, kind of like what
Diplo.
Yes, yes, what Diplo is doing. Yeah, so I'm trying to do that.
Cool. Yeah, would like to see that. You gonna stream it, or you gonna do an edit of it?
So I'll probably do the first one. I'll create one illustration to make sure I can get it looking nice, and then I'll stream after that.
Nice.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, for me, that's what I wanted to say in my last stream, but yeah, I'll say it now. Setting up a bunch of meetups. Yes. So if you guys want to start a Webflow meetup in your local area, do it. Set up a meetup account, start a Webflow meetup group, and send me a link. And I'll put it in my spreadsheet, and we want to help. We're open to help you start it, and we can pay for your food and your drinks. And if you get 50 or more group members, we'll add it to our official Meetup Pro account, and we'll go ahead and sponsor your group officially. So we want to see you grow your own local community and geek out as much as you can. I know you won't get to Waldo level, but you can get somewhere near it.
You will.
Like geek out with your friends and your community members over about Webflow, and yeah, we'll help you do that. And so that's what I'm working on. So yeah, it's gonna be fun to see this grow. But yeah, other than that, thank you everyone in the live chat room. Thank you to Waldo and Micah for being on the stream. What did you guys think for this second episode?
Fun. Is it the second? Is it only the second?
Yeah. The first one was at San Francisco.
That's true. That was fun. Yeah.
That
was great.
Cool.
Next
Let's do it again. Whenever we have time. We lost you, Waldo. Where's Waldo?
I'm back. My camera keeps timing out over here.
Oh no. All right. Thank you everyone in the live chat room for being here again. You can find Waldo at his YouTube channel. Did you ever get your YouTube name?
No, just look up Webflow with Waldo. You'll find it.
Yeah,
eventually.
Go on YouTube, search for Webflow with Waldo. I'll put it in the description below. Micah, shout out your link.
Mr. Create, youtube.com/Mr. Create.
Nice. I keep saying nice. Whenever I'm around you, I have to say nice, and I feel like I feel like I'm taking your word. I'm trying to find a different word.
Spread it, let everyone.
Great. No, that sounds passive aggressive. I don't know. Thank you, everyone. I usually stream every other day around 9 p.m. or something like that whenever I have time. But as for Waldo and Micah, just follow them on Twitter. I'll also link their Twitter handles in the description. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. And as always, Waldo, you put your Twitter handle so big.
There you go.
Yeah. As always, what is your tagline, you guys? What is your tagline?
Make the web.
No, that's mine. What's yours?
Live life with an attitude of gratitude.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Micah, you got one?
It's about sharing, but mainly sharing is caring, definitely.
Nice. I said it again. Nice.
Nice.
Just be nice.
Yeah.
And as always, make the web beautiful. Thank you. See ya.
Bye.
I don't have any music. I need to put my music.
Ooh, I was holding that yarn for like the entire time.